Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk co-founded Tesla in 2003, and he serves as the CEO and lead product architect. Tesla is known for its electric vehicles, energy storage solutions, and solar products. SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation. Founded by Musk in 2002, SpaceX is a private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company. It has been instrumental in advancing reusable rocket technology and reducing the cost of space travel. Neuralink Corporation. Founded by Musk in 2016, Neuralink is focused on developing brain-machine interface (BMI) technologies. The company aims to enable direct communication between computers and the human brain. The Boring Company. Elon Musk founded the Boring Company in 2016. It focuses on tunnel construction and infrastructure to alleviate traffic congestion. The company aims to build underground transportation tunnels. Solar City Corporation. Although not founded by Musk, he played a significant role in the company. Tesla acquired Solar City in 2016, and it specializes in solar energy products and services. OpenAI. Elon Musk was one of the co-founders of OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research laboratory. However, he is no longer directly involved